In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a front driver's side door handle on your Hyundai Sonata. Let's get started. Open the driver's side door, and on the inside of there you'll find a plug. Using a flat blade screwdriver, pull the plug out. Inside of this hole there will be an 8mm screw. Remove the bolt. Remove the door lock cylinder. I used a plastic trim tool. Lift up on the handle and pull straight back and remove the door handle. Swap over the seal from the old door handle to the new one. Remove the old cover off of the lock cylinder. To do this, we're going to use a flat blade screwdriver on this tab. Pop it up. Remove the old cover. To install the new one, start this side first, hinge it over, and snap it into place. If you have the problem of your door shutting and you can't open it with the door handle out, reach in with one finger, and there's a latch right here. Pull on that, and you can open the door. Grab the new door handle, install it into the front, set it down in the back and push forward. It'll clip into place. Install the lock cylinder. Snug down the 8mm bolt. Install the cap. Check the functionality of the door handle, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.